What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today we're testing out Addictive Drums 2 new pack, Vintage Dead. Before we get into this video, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit me with a like, and hit me with a comment. Let me know how you feeling. Also, if you want to save some cash on any of xlnaudio's products, go ahead and hit that link in the description. Let's get into it. All right, so this isn't a review. This is just us going through some sounds, seeing what really hits, testing it out, and getting a good feel for it. Let's get it. So right out the gate, one of my favorite kits to play is the Polygraph kit. It's got that DJ Premier, J Dilla, vintage 90s kind of hip hop vibe to it. So if you're someone who loves curating, stuff like that, this is gonna be the kit to use. So the second kit I used was the oxidized kit. If you're someone that wants to do drum and bass, this is probably one of the kits you could probably try out. I'm not saying it's the one, because there are so many in here that sound really, really good for drum and bass. This one particularly, I really rock with it. All right, y'all, so the last kit I used was Dead AF. Yeah, I know what that means. For this kit, pop, anything funky, retro, any kind of like soulful, just blaze type of vibe, you're gonna be able to accomplish this using this preset. All right, so that was Vintage Dead. What did you think about it? This might be my favorite ADpak yet. Check it out. You guys are gonna love it. I'm Ron, got the recipe. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.